Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. So if you also want to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So unfortunately, Facebook does not have the feature to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. You'll have to do it one by one. So if you really want to unfriend all of your friends, you'll have to unfriend them individually, or you can also consider deleting your account. But if you do not want to delete your account, unfortunately, you'll have to unfriend the friends one by one. There are also some third-party tools or extensions available that allows the mass unfriending, but you need to be really cautious while using them because they could be really risky and they might compromise your account security, so you might not want to do that. So the best option is to unfriend all the friends individually. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen just below the message icon. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the menu interface. Over here, you'll be able to find your profile. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for friends. Simply tap on the option See All Friends. Now you'll be able to see all the friends over here. Now what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see right next to their profile name. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. At last, you'll be able to find the option for unfriend. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the confirm option. Now you can see over here that friend will be unfriended. You'll have to follow the same process for all of your friends and you'll be able to unfriend all your Facebook friends. So like this, you'll be able to unfriend all your Facebook friends. So that is how you unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.